Hi everyone, welcome to the Purple Pot. Today we are going to make the most loved drink, chai. As we all know, India runs on chai, so let us run and grab one too. To start, we will need equal proportions of milk and water. Add water, then add roughly 3 teaspoons of tea. We are using leaf tea as it gives a subtle flavor and also has a longer brewing time. If you prefer strong flavor, prefer using a dust tea. Peel and grate some ginger and add it while the tea is brewing. Increase the flame and let the decoction boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Reduce the flame and gently add the milk. Once again, increase the flame and let it boil. Since we are using leaf tea, we will need patience as it will take longer for the flavor to extract and blend. Let it boil a couple of times as it is necessary before we proceed to the next step. Did you know that with an average of 900,000 tons per year, India is the second largest producer of tea? Also, 70% of the tea produced in the country is consumed within the country itself. Damn, that's a huge number. Coming back to the video. This step is optional. Add some sugar for taste. You can also add jaggery in place of sugar. Increase the flame and bring the tea to boiling point for one last time. This helps the sugar to dissolve faster. Gently pour the tea through the strainer. Pouring tea can sometimes be challenging. You might end up spilling some unintentionally. It's okay. Nothing to worry. You will improve with practice. Finally, serve with love. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching.